Hello everybody, Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well. I'm going to start by saying, sorry I haven't been around, guys. It's just been busy and crazy. We're going to pick a challenge lock today. I got a few minutes to spare. So we'll get something out of, what do I got in my bucket over here? Grab the first one. What do we got? Schlig. This is called Bankrupt by Washington State Picker. 10-6-18. There's the bidding on the key, guys. Let me see if you can see that. Let's see if we can get in this or not. Yeah, it's just been really, really busy, guys. So I just want to get on and get a video out and let you know what's going on here. Let's get a gem in 18 thousandths. Something for the bottom of this keyway here. I like this little guy right here. Okay, good. Let me see how squared up these are there. I can get you a little closer than that. You know what? We'll move that whole mat over here a little. Yeah, I can do that. That should work for you. Yeah, like I said, just busy. We just opened the lake house back up, so I got to turn this a little bit toward me, guys. We just opened the lake house back up, so you know, we're back out there in the summer on the weekends. Just feels like it's slippery. There's nothing. You know what? I'm going to bend that 18 thousandths gem. Let me get a gem in 25 thousandths here. And I have been watching some videos. You know, when I get time, whatever I can do. I feel like I overset something there, guys. Yeah, I seem to overset that 6-pin every time I touch it in the back. Okay, something just dropped. Okay, now I just touched that 6 and I got a little tiny turn on the plug. Not a big, just a little one. Okay, something fell again in the back. I truly think it's that 6-pin. 5 or 6, one or the other. Okay, just got a little more turn on that plug off of 3. Okay. Okay, so that was a definite overset. It's really hard to get under that 5-pin. And that's the one that keeps overset. We're going to let him drop. Okay. Okay, a lot of clicking going on now, guys. Let me get into that number 2. Definitely some serrations in here. Oh. See, when I go back into the back, I keep dropping that 6-pin. Awesome luck, Washington State Picker. Yeah, and then I can't get under them again. It goes like solid. It's weird. All right, we're going to reset it because I truly think I'm oversetting that number 5 pin right when I get under them. So you see what I did there? I counter rotated it and tried to set that 5 pin and just don't want to move. Reset it again. Okay, that was 2. Give me a little bit of a turn. Got a big click out of 3 that time. And now I can't get under that 5 pin again. That 5 pin's pretty deep. Yeah, see, as soon as I set that 5 pin, I go to set that 5 pin. Something else drops. Okay. I'm going to go back to the back of it. It's a weird feeling, Lock. I think something's overset for sure again. See, my pick keeps getting stuck under that pin. Okay. That was 4, and it gave me a little turn on something there. Get under 2, nothing there. Oh, now I got a deep false set. I just slid under that number 5 pin and give me a really deep false set now. Okay. Everything is dead again now. Yeah, nothing saying nothing in this false set, guys. One is solid. 2 is solid. Oh, I just touched 3 and it gave me something. A little bit more turn on the plug. I think it's something to do in 3, guys. What else do I want to say? Oh, hopefully I do have the fix on my iPad so I can comment back to you now, guys. I'm pretty sure my nephew's got it straightened out. Wow, this is a tough lock here. My hands are cramping. Okay. So something just dropped there. Let's see, I touched 3 and it gave me a little more now. That's why I think there's a T-pin or something in 3 maybe. There, we're open. Oof, Jesus, that was a tough lock. How long was that? Good Lord. Man, almost 8 minutes. That was a pretty tough one, Washington State Picker. Okay, let's not take this out of frame here. Get the vice out of the way. Let's get it taken apart. I do have a key. Man, my gut wrench is in the car. Yeah, I don't want to turn it 180 either. I'm going to lock it up, guys. Here, you see it is picked. Okay. These are those hard clips to get off of here. Yeah! God, I got the shakes. Okay, we're off. I hate these kind of clips. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way here. Get my buddy Bobby Key's pin and tray up here. We will put a shim in it because it is a challenge lock. Not that one though. Here, this is a good one. That one looks fairly new. Okay. If I don't shake apart here first. Okay. Definitely something that 2 and 3 pin up there because it shim won't go no further. Okay. Oh yeah, he's got some ugliness going on in here. Okay. There you can see all 6 are in and working, guys. Oh yeah, there's some nice pins in there. And there's that threading I was talking about. Okay. Okay, let me get the key out. There's pin 1. I was holding it. Number 1 key pin. Nice spool in 1. Nice T-pin in 2. I knew there was a T-pin there. 2 or 1, 2 or 3. Nice threading in there. Another nice spool in 3. Ooh, man. Real sharp pin in 4. I believe there's threading in 4 too. Another nice bond spool here in 5. 6 has a really nice serrated pin. Okay. You see, I don't want to blind you guys. Okay, so what he looks like 2, 3, and 6 are threaded, and then he's cut out the top of the cord here. See what he's done here, guys? That's got to be where that deep fall set came in at. And that had that really long bomb spool in it. Very nicely done, Washington State Picker. That was a tough lock, like I said. Okay, let's get these out of the top here. Then I'll bring us down to the pinning tray and show you everything. Okay, and 1, we got a spool. Steel spring. 2, we got a serrated. He was in just like this. Another steel spring, I see. 3. Just barely poked his head over the shear line. Another steel spring. I'm going from the back for the rest of them. Yeah, it's been really hot here too. There's the weather report. Suncoast Picker. Suncoast has been 110 heat index here last 2 days. It looks like all the springs are the same, so I can just dump them. Oh, there's a T-pin in. Yep, there's a T-pin in 5 too. Oh, that one came out, so that was in 6. See, it looks like a 2-part pin there. It is a 2-part pin, and it was just like this. Very, very cool, Washington State Picker. Okay, he was in there like this. That was that one that I kept getting under and I couldn't get out from under. Okay, 1 more here. 4. He just popped. Okay. Another T-pin in 4. Okay, this one was in, I think he was in number 5. Like that. Let me know, Washington State Picker. I don't see nothing done to the Bible, guys. But an awesome lock for sure. Let me put that key up there so you can see the bidding when I bring this down. I'm going to bring this down here right now, guys. Oh, I don't want to make an earthquake here or nothing. Okay, let's tilt this down so you can see what's on the pinning tray. Okay. So in 1, we had this really nice long bomb spool here. Oh, where's my camera? There. Very nice pin. Above him, we had another spool. Short one. Then we had this T-pin here. See the top of that? Like a tapered pin. And then we had serrations above him. And another really nice bomb spool here. Key-pin. This is like a tapered, see, it's like conical here. Spool here. Standard in 4. Then this T-pin is on here in 4 above it. Then this very nice pin and pin. Well, let's do the key pin first. Another bomb spool in 5. And then this one, he goes in there just like this. Let me see if I can get him back in there. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to have to put it together like this, and then let you see what it does. See how the T comes out of the top of that? Let me put that down here. Very nicely done, Washington State Picker. See how the T comes out of the bottom of it there? Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, there you can see it that way. Beautiful. Very nice pin. And then in 5, we had a standard in the top, and then this really nicely serrated key pin. Well, that's it, guys. I'm going to try and get some more videos up, more content out. I'm just, like I said, I'm so busy right now. This is my busy time of year, so we're all running around like chickens with no heads. But I'll be back soon. I'm still watching videos out there, guys, when you just put them out. So keep putting out the great videos. Thank you, everyone, for watching, joining in. Thanks for being loyal subscribers. Have a great night, everyone. See you soon.